What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today we've got episode 14 of This Week at NLD. If you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. Right then, so as usual, we've got a very busy week ahead of us. The main cars in this week are the two Tesla Model 3's, so they're both in full PPF and coatings. As well as that, we've still got the Alpine A110 here, so that's going off to get a smart repair either today or tomorrow, and then we're going to PPF the rear bumper once the paint's cured on that. So they're the main jobs this morning. I'll take you inside now and let's show you what's going on. We're just testing out the new ramp, so as you can see, Callum's at the top of it having fun.
Not having fun.
He's terrified, bless him, but yeah.
I can confirm it takes 3 tons.
Got some good weight testing going on the new ramp. Right then, guys, we're now at the end of Monday, so let's show you a quick update of what's been going on. So the main focus for today was the two Tesla Model 3's. So the first one, which as you can see here, this is now on the ramp, and it's had the Bonnet and Bumper Ppf, so this customer has only opted for those two to be PPF'd, so that's what we've done for him. So now they're all down, as you can see, it's looking really good. Can't even tell that it's got any PPF on it at the moment. So the bumper's been done, as well as the bonnet. So as you can see here on this as well, there's not really, you can't see any edges at all. It's looking really nice at the moment. And so this will give the customer the added protection. So with Expo Ultimate Plus, they'll be getting 10 years worth of warranty. Now that the PPF's done on this, we can go ahead and start the machine polishing, getting rid of any imperfections before we apply the ceramic coatings. So other than the blue Tesla Model 3, we've got the black one outside now. So this has been fully decontaminated. It's looking nice and clean. So now this can be pulled into the studio, then tomorrow we're going to get on with correcting the paintwork on it. Hopefully this one isn't too much of an issue, but yep, as you can see, it's looking nice and clean now. So yeah, that's the jobs for today. Alpine's still here. So that was the progress we made today. I'll pick the vlog back up with you tomorrow and show you what's going on. Right then, guys, we're now on Wednesday, so let's show you what's going on. So first up this morning, we had this Porsche Turbo S from the team over at Approved Performance. So this 911 Turbo S is back with us just to get some PPF replaced. At the minute, it's already got full car PPF. However, there was a chip on the front bonnet, sorry. So now that's been replaced. Wait for the coffee van to stop making a racket. Still making a racket. So yeah. This has now had the front bonnet PPF replaced, so if you have a look closely, you shouldn't be able to see any edges at all. That's how we like to get it done. So now that PPF has been replaced, the team over at Approved can now hopefully get it sold. This shouldn't last very long, it's such a gorgeous spec. Other than the Turbo S, we've got this Transporter T6 in with us. So this is also nice colour combination. So it's got the metallic grey paintwork with the Bentley wheels. So it's got a really nice ride height to it. So this is having two of the wheels refurbished, as two of them aren't looking the best. The side skirts, so there's a bit of damage on the side skirts down here. So these are going off to be painted, then when they come back we can get them ceramic coated. The rest of the car is having our level 1 package, so it will have a single layer of 9H followed by a single layer of top coat. Obviously the wheels and glass will be coated also. So I'm looking forward to getting started on this as soon as possible. Inside the studio, we've still got the two Tesla Model 3's, so I'll show you them now. It's a bit messy in here at the moment, but that's what happens when we're busy. So this blue Tesla Model 3, this is now nearly had its wood-stage paint correction all done. So half the car's looking really good at the moment. Tom's gone around and finished the machine polishing to get rid of any imperfections. We can then go ahead and apply the ceramic coatings. This flat black Tesla, so Toby's came in overnight and got the front end PPF done on this. So this is looking all good now. It's nice and protected on the front end. So now that the PPF has been applied, we can go ahead and do the paint correction. I'll throw in a couple of clips of the befores of this because these flat black Teslas pick up so many imperfections. So I don't know if you'll be able to quickly see these ones yet. If you look, you can just see all the marring and buffer trails there. So the guys are going to start polishing this today, so we can hopefully get it in a position to start coating it either this evening or tomorrow. So then guys, we're now on Thursday. Let's show you what's going on. Right then, so first up today, we've been focusing on the Model 3 right there. I didn't get a chance to update the vlog yesterday, but we were staying a bit later on to get the coatings applied to that. So the single layer of Ceramic Pro 9H went on last night, so that cured overnight. And then we came in this morning to get the layer of top coat on. So now that's been applied, as well as the glass. So this is in a good position now to go home with the customer today. So the wheels are back on the car now, so the number plates, we've put the covers back on the wheels as well. So this is now looking fantastic. As you can see, the car's looking like a mirror. Shouldn't be bearing any imperfections on this at all. So this is now going to sit there till this evening when the customer's going to collect it. The only thing left to do is add a bit of tyre shine onto it, so I'll get that done a bit later on. Other than the Model 3, I don't know if I've showed you this yet, but we've got the Volkswagen Transporter T6 in, so this is a really nice spec, to be honest. At the minute it's sitting on these lovely 21-inch Bentley wheels, which look really nice. So 2 of them have gone off to get refurbished before we apply the coatings to them. So this is in for our level 1 package, so the guys are going to start with the machine polish on that this morning and hopefully get it in a position so we can apply the 9H this evening. If you have a look inside, really nice. And also the rear seats have all been decked out. Got a nice Alcantara roof with some lights in it. This customer's got a really nice Transporter. So this will be going home with a customer on the weekend, I believe. Other than the Transporter, we've still got the flat black Model 3 in, so this is now in a position to get the multi-stage paint correction done. The wheels are now off the car and the faces of the wheels have been coated, so just need to get the multi-stage paint correction done on this, and hopefully, like the Transporter, we can get the first layer of coatings on this evening so then they can cure overnight. So that's what's going on this morning. We've got a busy day ahead of us, so I'll catch the vlog back up with you a little later on. Right then guys, we're now at the end of the week. It's Friday and we've had a very busy week, so I'll quickly show you now what we've been up to. So I didn't get a chance to update the vlog yesterday evening, however the Tesla Model 3 in blue was picked up. That customer was very happy with that. We made some good progress on the black Tesla Model 3, as well as made some good progress on this Transporter as well. So yeah, this Transporter, we've got around half of it polished, so today's going to be spent getting the rest of this done. Here's a little 50-50 here, but I'll show you that a bit later on once it's done. So yeah, today we've got to get this in a good position to be going home with the customer on the weekend. So going to get the machine polish done, then we can get the coatings applied. Other than the Transporter, we are still waiting for the wheels as well to come back, so once they're back, we can get them coated and put back on the car. Other than the Transporter, the flat black Tesla Model 3 is still here, so this is now being collected by the customer on Monday, so it gives us a bit of extra time just to make sure we can get what we want done to it. So again, on this, I believe 3/4 of the car has been polished now. Well, it's been cut at least, so now Carl needs to go around and refine all the paintwork on it. So once the paintwork's been refined, we can then go ahead and apply the coatings. These wheels are also being refurbed, so we're waiting for the wheels to get back and then they can be coated and put back on. But this side, as you can see, still needs attention as we're not started on here yet. So other than the Tesla and the Alpine, the only other thing this morning is the Mercedes E220D, which you see out there. I don't know where it is, but yeah. So we're just going to give that a clean for the customer now, and that's going to be collected a little later on. Right then, that's it for episode 14 at This Week at NLD. If you are new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified when we upload. At the minute, we're uploading every Wednesday and Sunday at 8 PM, so don't miss out on the next video. If you have any comments, drop them in the comment section below and we'll get them answered as soon as possible, and we'll catch you in the next video.